Brad at Precision here. Today we're talking about furnace filters. This one here has got a 1-inch filter, so you want to change this about every month. General rule of thumb is about 1 inch of thickness a month. We changed this one in November. It's dirty. It's ready for a new one. See, what I like to do is write a date on here when I changed it so I know roughly when to check it. Put the new one in, turn the furnace fan back on, and you're ready to go. These are simple things that you can do by yourself. If you don't feel comfortable doing it, call us at Precision. We're always there to help.